Hi friends, so welcome to Computer Tech. Today I will tell you how to make app. It's just like app for bus reserve ticket reservation service. For example, you have business of bus service and you want to online booking. So without purchasing softwares or giving order for some expensive softwares, you can also design for your own some good app in your Excel sheet. So this is one demo. So basically I divided it into two parts. The first part covers basic graphical interface GUI, and other part will be how to send ticket copy of ticket to customer through WhatsApp, and other part is the summary of what I call summary of the all project. Sorry, summary of all the tickets. Okay, so let's start from here. First, I will tell you how it is working. Basically, this is my form, which you can say it is for uh, your it's like office purpose, and this ticket is type of ticket which will be sent to the customer. This copy will be sent to customer. Okay, so I will tell you how to make from start from basic up to this level. So first of all, I will tell you what are the features of this tutorial, this project. Okay, so first of all, I open this software. Okay, so from here you can see the current time is displaying, and for example, the ticket number is computer tech K 2019-09-02. Okay, this is and I call this is first ticket, and name it's my computer tech as a customer, and its ID 2345678 9, seat number. So I guess basically seat number S1. So seat this is S1, S2, S3, S4, 5, 6, 7. So basically S1 I give it S1. Okay, so ticket price I says 5,000 from ABC location to DEF location. For example, mobile also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and booking manager is I call ABC XYZ. Okay, so this is booking manager, and this is all information in my software. So when I generate ticket, so you can see this is reserved. So all the information is here and its copy is here. So this part will be sent to the customer, which will I cover in next lecture, next tutorial. Okay, so you see here now the seat is reserved. This means I have only 9 seats remaining. So for example, another customer is coming, its ticket number, uh, like anything, name, techno, person. For example, just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and its seat number is S3. So now again giving him S3, and ticket price is 3,000, and from EFG to HIK. Okay, just different location. So this is his number, for example, and this is ABC. Okay, so generate ticket. You see again has this information, and you can see the third ticket is reserved. Okay, so now we have available seats like 1 2 3 4, is 2 reserved, 2 available, and other thing all the reserved. Okay, so this was basically the first features, and in another tutorial I will tell you regarding this one. And for this, when I click reset, so you see all ticket everything data I finish, and that every seats all everything is reset, so left from beginning. Okay, so let's make one for you how to make it. So starting from here, you see this is the basic thing which everyone know. Battery is low. So from here you can see starting from I copy this one and here. Okay, And so because this is basic Excel, this doesn't need anything more at advanced level, just basic Excel. Okay, so from here, uh, okay, so this is the basic interface. So from here, this is also a copy. So I do not waste much time for this one, okay, because I wanted everything quickly. So from here you can see this is just a reference from this one, like this B9 is from this one, and everything's from here, just it's cell references here. So advanced level here, just basic Excel, so everyone knows this one. Okay, so regarding now for the bus, for the seat, like I write here seats. So you go here, open this seat, any seat you want, and copy image, basically paste here. Okay, so let's make it size small, this one. So when you want to remove its background, so you have to go its format and remove background, close this one. Okay, so just make it size bigger. So it, the one thing good things here is it is like intelligent, so it also detect which part to remove. So white thing all selected already, so my seat is here. And so again I copy from here, so you have to take 8 seats. Okay, so for this one, because I made size small and everything, so this is simple thing here. And for the bus, top view of bus, so I write this one from here, uh, at top. So this picture, okay, so this picture I copied from internet, so the same picture is here, so I copy here and paste. Okay, so this is a picture, and the other thing is I took object this one, so in order to hide these all the seeds, okay, like this one. So basically this object from I can copy from here, and I want to save the time because otherwise the video will be too much bigger, so lengthy, so that's why I want to save much time for viewer. Okay, so send it to backwards, and this is it. So this is my bus interface and this everything. So what I give name, the first name is 1, this one, other is 2, this one, other is 3, this one, and this one 4. Okay, so here is everything. Now what I will do, first of all, go to developer, and here insert button. So basically I will one button, 2, 3. Okay, so one for WhatsApp message, one for reset all the tickets. Okay, so let's change the name from here. It's Gen ticket, and I write its caption, generate ticket. Okay, so you see generate ticket, and other is ticket copy to customer. I write its just name message. Okay, and third one is subject name is called reset, and its caption is reset the ticket. Okay, so all three thing done. So what you have to do, double click here, so generate ticket dot click. So when I click this one, so what should run? So what I do, go to insert and user form. Okay, so like this one. In my this program, you see when I click this one, so one user form basically appears here. So I have to make this user form. Okay, so here user form from insert user form, then this user form will appear. Just change its size, its height. Okay, so from here I will change its name. I will write its name ticket is you see ticket 1 because ticket this was already made as I shown here. So this is for this one. This ticket is for this one. So I make new ticket 1 here. So just change this background color to black color. Well, it will, for me it look cool. So it up to you how which color you choose. And here I write generate ticket. Okay. So this is the basic window. So what I do, I will add some text heading. So from heading here, what I will write here computer take ticket app. Okay, so here I'll change its format, its color, and its font size. So this one, and this one. So here, and also the color should be white color. So this is my first one ticket here. Okay, so now question is when I go here to this sheet. Okay, so when I click here, nothing happening because I haven't wrote any function here. You see, there is nothing here. So what I will write here, ticket one dot show. Okay, so now I go here, open this one. So this window is opening. Okay, so from here you click on design mode, double click here. So this function opening here. So from here I will write ticket art show. So all other my program I will write inside this ticket because now everything will run in this user form. So what I will do, first of all I will take this text box because from here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 total 10 data fields are there. So I have to put 10 text boxes, but here I will put one combo box. It is like a drop down menu. So because I want to save time, also here you can put drop down menu so that quickly manager name come without writing every time manager name and without writing seat number. So this is up to you. Okay, so first of all I write here copy one field. So one is two here. Okay, now this two like this one. Four, it's like four, it's three. So let's change like this one. Otherwise it will confuse which one three, which one four. Okay, so now five I will add combo box because it's like a drop down menu, and here I again paste this one five, this one six, this one seven, 8 and 9. Okay, so still let's make some bigger. So now I will add some labels. So which field is for which one? So basically I will copy from my old one because I want to save time, because if I write one by one it will take too much time. Okay, so just copy here, come here and paste here. So just here. So there's some little bit difference, so I just moving it down, little down, down, down. Okay, and here this one down, down, down. Okay, so from here This is date, name, seat number, from, mobile number, booking manager. So all things here. So I copied from this one because I already made this one. Okay. So again I run my program. Just disable design mode here. So you see it's all there. So now I have to put some function inside so that when I click data, so all data will be here. Okay, so here one thing is missing is button, which I will add here. I write this name, add data, and here caption is generate ticket. Okay, so you can change its color. Let's make some orange color, and its text color should be some. Okay, so this is here. Now, as you see in my, instead of writing every time date and time, so you see when I open it, so its current date and time is opening also here. So how I have to do this one? So as in lookup is my like database. So here already written name, seat number. So anything you change from here, it will automatically change in user form. So you know don't have to write every time name. So from here you can change, and in user form it automatically change. So you no need to change in coding. So this is my current date and time. So I have to read this one into my user form. Okay, then the all data. Then when I press generate ticket, so this time should be there, and all other data should be in these fields. Okay, so what I do, I will do like go to again here, double click here, go to now in ticket, and I go here. So this is I will select user form. So when user form is get initialized, okay, so what should it do? It should from here user initialize, and there is activate. Okay, so two things here activate. So initialize I will tell you when to use, and when user form gets activate, so you have to run this code. Ticket one, because this is the name of this my form is ticket one, and control text box one because this one is text box one. Okay, so text box one, and dot value worksheet lookup cell 4 comma 1. So 4 is row and 1 is the column. Okay, so from here I see lookup, this is the 4 and the 1. Okay, so this is reading basically this value. So if I run uh, this program, you can see this has the time. Okay, so this thing is done. Now I have to put some function inside this button. So when I press generate ticket, so all data here, data, this data, and all data should be here in these fields. But other thing I should must tell about this drop down menu. So how to make this drop down menu? First of all, you have to go here uh, from user form. So you from here select and initialize from here. Initialize, what did initialize? So I make basically here. Okay, so this is the name. This is the drop down menu. The name is combo box 1. Okay, so combo box 1 dot add item worksheet lookup dot cell a comma 4. So this is the row and this is the column. So the fourth column is I have the 1 2 3 4, the fourth column, and from fourth row my seat number starts. So this should be in the drop down menu. Okay, so what I do here, so this is the fourth and this is the fourth because the column is fixed, so I have to only read the rows. So let's say I'll use loop. So this variable is an integer, and for a equals to 4 because from the 4 I will start from here, so it's like 4. Okay, so that's why it's from 4 up to, no need to 90. You can write this up to 10 or maybe 15. Maybe if you have big bus, so you can make changes here. So this loop repeat up to 15. Okay, so now let's run the code again. From here, you can see there's the drop down menu. Okay, so this thing is done. Now the other thing, last thing is I have to the data from here should be when I press generate ticket should be these fields. So what I do, double click again here. So when I this button function add data, again I tell you this one you check, its name is add data. So when I click here, so this is the add data function. So when I click add data, so what this means, so basically I copy here one thing and then I tell you one by one. So from here, let ws like is a one variable which is a worksheet, and set ws active workbook dot active worksheet. Okay, so this is my uh, active workbook, and this sheet 2 is my active worksheet. So basically this says this variable has this address like this one, because I want to save time, not to repeat these things in every line. That's why it's declared like ws. So ws dot sales 6 comma 2 value equals to me. Me is like this one user form. You can write here ticket 1, or you guys me you can say it's like a one short form for writing user form for to save some time. Okay, so you can use me, so no problem, or you can use ticket 1. Okay, dot text box 1 dot value. So it's very clear from this line. So means this user form ticket 1, its text box 1 value should be copied to the active workbook dot active sheet dot sales 6 comma 2. This is row, this is column. So 6 is this row and 2 is the column. So it will copy here. Okay, so same thing I will repeat for all other cells. So instead of wasting my time, so I am copying all data here. This one text box 2 is for the ticket number. It's like this one ticket number. It is here 6 row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th column. So is the 6th row at the column. And like text box 3, text box 4, combo box 1, because this is different. So anything value in text box 5 should be go to row 12 and 8 column. This is my text box 5, this row 12 and 8th column. Okay, this is text box 5. This is combo box 1, this is text box 5 to here. So this is clear. So when I basically open this one, so I tell you how it is working. From here, if I write here 1, 2, 3, name ABC, IDT 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, seat number S2, ticket 1000 from ABC to XYZ, mobile 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and booking manager is XWR. Then a ticket. So here you see everything is here. Okay, so means till here our code is working fine, and also there is some issue here. So I think this reference problem. So what I will do, just delete this one and copy the same thing from here. I want to save time, so here I copy, so everything okay, because this V6, this one V9, this one is V12, so this one the first row, here 12 row and second column. Okay, so this is also done. So this is very simple. Till now what we covered, first how to make this user form and how to insert data of user form into Excel sheet. Okay, So now other part is how to basically manage these objects, how to disappear and make these objects appear and disappear when I book any seat. Okay, so what I will do, from I will go to the code. So this is my code. Okay, so here when I press add button means when I press generate ticket, so after looking at seat number it should be hide the second seat in order to tell that this seat is now booked. So here what I write, I again copy the code from here. Okay, so this thing parameter. So for example the ID, uh, here let ID is one variable. Okay, so it will check what is the combo box one value. Its combo box is one is this one. So it will check the seat number, which is seat number. So the ticket one combo box value. So the seat number is will be in IT1. If seat number is S1, okay, then active sheet the one number shape. So this is the one number shape here. Okay, so this is the one number shape. It should uh, be visibility should be false, means it should disappear. Okay, so regarding this one, this I tell you later. Okay, so and when else if when ID is seat number 2, it should hide seat 2, and when seat number 3, it should hide seat number 3. When seat number 4, it should hide seat number 4. Okay, so let's run this one. So let's S2 name ABC ID 1 2 3 4, ticket number 1 2 3 4 5 from XY to ZA, mobile 1 2 3 ABC, the net ticket. So now it's giving error because this thing is not mentioned. Okay, I tell you this one because you see in my this code, when I generate ticket S2, generate this one. Now you see this is reserved. So these shapes basically missing in my program. So I copy this one, pasting here. So paste one picture here, other picture here, third picture here. So this example only for 3. You can do all for all other things. So let its name is R2. This is let's make it R1. Okay, reserve 1 and reserve 2 and this reserve 3. Reserve 3. Okay, so reserve 1, reserve 2, reserve 3. So here I go to code. Now R1 is there. So what this means, when the seat number is S1 selected, the one shape, the seat number 1 should be false, means it should be hide, and the reserve 1, this the red tag should be visible and should be true, so that it tell the seat is booked, so it cannot be booked again. So you have to change another seat. Okay, so this is here, and the last thing which is about the reset the ticket. Okay, so when I go to reset the ticket function button, so here I will copy from this one. So these things I will copy here. So basically this reset button is here. So I will like all three buttons are here. This button I haven't used now. It will be next tutorial, next part. So this part is here. So what I will do now, the code for this one is here, this one, and inside this there is one user form. Okay, this thing I think you this is clear. And for this one I will tell you next part, and for this one, so this is the for the third button. So what I will do when I press reset means all sheets should appear and reserved sheets should disappear, and all everything data should be finished, should be cleared from this sheet. It should be neat and clean. So when I press reset button, active sheet shapes 1 should be true, visibility true, 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 and the reserved, the red one should be false, false, false. Okay, and how to clear these things? All value. So basically, I have to copy basic from here this line. Okay, the active sheet data range B6 to E7. This is B6 to E7, H6 to K7, H6 to K7, and B9 to E10. This B9 to E10. Likewise, H18 to K19, H18 to K19. So these all values ranges should be clear contents. So it means this thing will clear all these things. Okay, so let's check now. Let's disable this one, and again here's some issue. So R3 is far, so maybe R3 is it's let's make it R3. Okay, so now clear. Now can reset. Let's again. Okay, so now when I press reset, the seats are here and all data finished. Again, when I generate ticket, so name like computer tech ID 12345, seat number is S3. Okay, ticket price is 1000 from XY to Z location. Mobile number is 9876454, and this person is ABC. And this is also 123456789. Okay, so let's generate ticket. So the ticket is generated. This part I will send to customer, and this is for my record, and this is reserved seat. So when I issue when a second customer call me for ticket, so I press here. So instead of writing S2, basically S3, I will basically write some other seat number. So it's cleared now. You shouldn't book this one because this is already booked, reserved. So you have to check for other seats. Okay, so this was all about for today's tutorial. So I hope you got it. And my next one, what I will tell you, the how to send this ticket copy to customer and how to make summary. Okay, one thing is other thing is summary, so ticket summary. So now you remember one thing is for sending message to the customer and making summary of your tickets, and maybe I will try to add other feature which is like to basically make a new sheet for every ticket. Okay, so this thing is optional, so maybe I will cover in third part this one. So for now, this is for all about for today. So I hope you got it. If anything you didn't get, so you can ask me in comment, you can email me, so you are more than welcome. So maybe the best now the next part will be uh, on the ticket, the customer copy, sending copy to customer and the summary. So till then, see you. Take care.